So, get yourself a big chunk of beef. Cheaper the better. This is cheap pheasant food from France. Chop it up, bit of salt, throw it in the oven. That's the clean and easy way to do it. Some people swear by frying it in a pan with a bit of flour. Anyway, chop a few mushrooms, piles of bacon. Don't throw away that bacon fat, because you're gonna fry your carrots and your mushrooms in there. Now, this is rustic, so roughly chop your onions. Give them a fry. Try and get them brown on the carrots and the onions, okay? Throw in the bacon. Throw in the beef. The only reason I used that spider is because I didn't want the juice going everywhere. I also threw the juice in there. Now you can do this later, but I decided to do it now. Fry up some silver onions. Get a little bit of brown onto them. Get your beef stock in there. 1 cube, glass of water. The description, the details, the quantities, all in the doobly-doo below. Here I'm throwing in some wine. Don't be a dummy. Don't be throwing in cheap wine like some cheap English chef. Put in a decent bottle of Burgundy, okay? Get your herbs and spices in there. As you can see, I've got some tomato concentrate. Those basil leaves. I honestly don't know what they taste like, but they're really important. Here you can see I'm just giving things a bit of a mix, okay? Then I'm setting it for 3 hours on low. Sorry about your headphones. And this is what it looks like after a good old long time. I'm using them for some reason. Tongs? Just get yourself a big soup spoon. I think I used the tongs because I didn't want to damage the base of my slow cooker. It's not stick, you know. But this is the most amazing dish. It tastes so good. I recommend you get yourself maybe some ciabatta, maybe toast it up a little bit, and a good glass of wine. Enjoy. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see my stuff again. This is how the YouTube algorithm works nowadays. Cheers, bye.